Hi, and welcome to this video on adding Akuvox intercom devices to a single family house project on the SmartPlus cloud for installers. Before we begin the configuration, let's first see how the system works after setup. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete configuration process and explain why each setting matters, so you can deploy the system correctly and efficiently. Log in to the cloud with your account. Select Single Family Sites on the dashboard. Click the device icon of the target user. This is where all intercom devices for this property are managed. Click New on the right. The first step is selecting the device type. Choosing the wrong type may result in missing functions or incorrect call routing. When adding a door phone for a single residence, choose single-tenant door phone. By contrast, multi-tenant door phone is typically used for community entrances or apartment buildings with multiple units. If you are installing a pure access control terminal, such as the A08, which supports door access but not intercom calling, select Access Control. In this demonstration, we will add one single-tenant door phone and one indoor monitor. After selecting the device type, enter the device's unique MAC address and the device name. Using clear naming conventions helps simplify future maintenance and troubleshooting. Next, configure the option. Does this device have internet access? This setting is critical for call routing. If the door phone has a stable internet connection, keep Yes selected. If the door phone does not have internet access, select No. In offline scenarios, the indoor monitor will act as a bridge, transferring calls from the door phone to the SmartPlus app. This ensures residents can still receive calls remotely. Next, you can set whether the resident can view the live feed from the door phone and call it. If yes, keep these options enabled. Next, configure the relay settings. The relay interface is typically connected to a door lock for access control. For clarity and easier management, name the relay based on the door location, for example, front door and side gate. Then, the DTMF code option offers a convenient door opening method. When the code matches that's set on the indoor monitor, residents can enter the code or tap the Unlock tab during a call on the indoor monitor to open the door for visitors. You can select a desired code or keep it default. Next, configure access methods. This determines which unlocking methods are available to residents. If a method is disabled here, it cannot be used to unlock. The SmartPlus homepage, talking page and monitor page for end-user options control whether the unlock button appears in the SmartPlus app. Once disabled, they will be hidden. If the door phone controls multiple locks, click Add Relay to configure additional relay interfaces. If the door phone is connected to the Akuvox Security Relay, SR01, click Add Security Relay to configure it. Click Submit to save the settings. Next, let's add an indoor monitor. Click New again and select Indoor Monitor as the device type. Enter the MAC address. When the arming function is enabled, the arming icon will be available on users' SmartPlus apps for arming and disarming. Then, name the device. Next, enable the Works Offline option when the door phone has no internet access so that the indoor monitor can forward calls from offline door phones to the SmartPlus app. Indoor monitors also have built-in relays, which can be connected to door locks, lights, etc. If used, enable the relay and define its function accordingly. Configure the external device option when the indoor monitor connects to the Bella RCU or Akuvox MK485 external relay controller. This allows integration with additional smart home devices. For detailed setup instructions, please refer to the documentation in our knowledge base. Submit the settings. After adding devices, they will appear in the device list. The status indicator shows their connection state. Gray means offline, green means online. You may need to reboot them to bring them online. In the Action column, you can click the Edit icon to change the device settings and click the Delete icon to remove it. After configuration is complete, the system is fully operational. When a visitor presses the call button on the door phone, the indoor monitor and the app receive the call, and the resident taps Unlock to open the door. The resident can view the live feed from the door phone on the indoor monitor and the app.
Welcome. Please come in.
Thanks for watching.